Hey Karen, how you doing? This is George over at Toyota of Melbourne, and this is the 2019 Toyota Highlander. Just want to send you a quick video over, show you some of the features. The XLE comes standard with the Softex seats, sort of like a leather. Notice the camera behind the rearview mirror. That's all your safety equipment as far as your front collision system, lane departure alert, and radar cruise control. Comes with a sunroof, navigation. One of our best sellers, just because of the way it's equipped. You get a lot for your money. This one is an 8-passenger with the bench seat in the middle. You got a power lift gate in the back for easy access, and then there's your seats. You can fold them down, fold all the seats down so you have plenty of cargo storage. Toyota is going to give you 2 years of oil changes and tire rotations and roadside assistance at no charge. And here in Toyota Melbourne, we give you a lifetime powertrain warranty that's good anywhere in the US or Canada for as long as you own the vehicle and limited miles. So do me a favor, give me a call back. We can set up an appointment to check out the rest of the inventory. My phone number is 321-254-8888. And have a great day. Thanks.